In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to square numbers in Excel. Squaring a number is one of those quick, reliable tasks you'll do all the time, whether you're calculating areas, working with growth rates, or cleaning up a data set. I'll show you the simplest, most dependable way to do it with a formula, and I'll point out a few tips so it all makes sense as you go. First, decide where you want the result to appear. It's usually best to keep your original number in one cell and the squared result in a separate cell, so you can always change the original without losing it. Click the cell where you want the squared value to show up. You'll know it's selected when you see the border around it and the cell name highlighted in the name box. Now let's write the formula. Start by typing an equals sign. This tells Excel you're entering a formula, not just text. Next, click the cell that contains the number you want to square. When you click it, Excel automatically inserts that cell reference into your formula, something like A2 or B5 depending on your sheet. After the cell reference, type the power operator. This is the caret symbol, which looks like a small upward arrow, X. On most keyboards, that's Shift plus the number 6. The caret tells Excel to raise a value to a power. Then type the number 2. Altogether, your formula should look like equals, the cell reference, caret, and 2. For example, equals A2 over 2. That reads as, take the value in A2 and raise it to the power of 2. Press Enter to confirm the formula. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the squared value in the cell you selected. If you click back on that result cell and look at the formula bar, you'll still see your formula there, which is helpful if you want to check your work later. A quick tip. Because this is a formula, it's dynamic. If you change the original number in the source cell, the squared result updates automatically. That makes this method perfect when your data changes over time. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you started with an equals sign, that you clicked the correct source cell, and that you used the caret symbol before the 2. Also make sure the source cell actually contains a number. If it has text or is blank, you may see an unexpected result. That's it. Click the cell for the result, type equals, click the number you want to square, add the caret and 2, and press Enter. Simple, fast, and accurate every time.